Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to report a player in Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's get started. So for that, you need to go to this hamburger menu here on the top right corner. Click on it and go to settings. Then click on help and support. And before we click on that, I want you to know that you need to know the player ID. So I guess it's pretty obvious you might know the player ID of the person that you want to report. So click on help and support. And you'll be redirected to this page here. This is their support page, and at the very bottom you will see a safe and fair play option. Click on it, click on taking action. Then as you can see, this is an option called reporting a player. Just click on it, and as you can see, they are giving you information on how to report. You have to know the player ID. So we can also click on this bubble icon here. Click on it, click on leave a message. Type here report player. And as you can see, it's giving me the option called report offensive players. So click on continue. Just simply put the player ID here. So you should be able to copy the player ID. I will just type any random word here. So once you put it, you have to type it again, and that way you will be able to report the player in Brawl Stars. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.